5 Ways to Visualizing Success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an insightful guide on visualizing success and unlocking your full potential. If you're ready to transform your mindset and achieve your goals, let's dive in. 1. Frustration typically arises from unfulfilled desires. When you focus on obstacles, delays, and difficulties, your subconscious mind responds accordingly, creating a barrier to your own well-being. 2. To maintain a harmonious flow of the life principle, consciously affirm, I believe the subconscious power behind my desire is actively bringing it to fruition through me. This affirmation dissolves internal conflicts and paves the way for positive manifestation. 3. Anxiety, worry, and fear can disrupt the natural rhythm of your heart, lungs, and other organs. Nurture your subconscious with thoughts of harmony, health, and peace to restore the normal functioning of your body. 4. Keep your conscious mind engaged with positive expectations, and your subconscious will faithfully reproduce your habitual optimistic thinking. 5. Visualize a satisfying resolution to your problem. Immerse yourself in the joy of accomplishment, and your imagined positive thoughts and emotions will be embraced by your subconscious mind, guiding it to materialize the desired outcome. 5 Powerful Ways to Visualize Success and Unlock Your Full Potential. Remember, your mindset plays a crucial role in shaping your reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more empowering content. Until next time, stay positive and keep chasing those dreams.